Many of you asked me why did I disappear from the internet, from YouTube and Instagram for a while. Last year I decided to drastically change my life, and I was studying levitation, I was studying mysteries and astrology. Actually, in 2020 was a really good year for us. We opened the company that makes healthy snacks based on apples. And I made around 200 gigabytes of video that I didn't have time yet to edit because I was working about 16 hours a day every day without weekends. So now it's a bit easier, everything is set. What's going to happen to our channel in the future? First of all, I still have 2 or 3 videos to edit from 2020. I think from the summer I just didn't have time to edit. I'm gonna put this first, then I'll continue with my recipes, and the third thing, I will show you how to make a business in the COVID world from the scratch. This should be very interesting because business is what interests me the most after cooking. And yeah, and the fourth thing, I probably will have a haircut anytime soon. I just didn't have time yet to cut my hair. I was really busy setting up the business. This is the whole message. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.